Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo tab M10 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's search for Files app and enter it. Thanks to this app, you can manage your junk files, you can delete them, clear space, or simply check the total of used space. Next, you can manage your downloads, images, videos, audio, documents, apps, and internal storage. Then you can share and receive the files, and from the menu you can go to Settings, Share Files App with Friends, and check Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.